Today in this video we are going to show you how to create a worm farm. I bought this product garden line from Aldi, which has two working trays so that you can switch one when it's full and you get a constant supply of compost. So let's get started. The first thing you need to create the base is shredded cardboard. Any packaging will do. The worms love it. So just tear it into small pieces for the worms and spread it over. With some shredded paper. This allows for aeration and worms love it. Just sprinkle some on top. Now add some carbon layer, which is in the form of dry leaves and twigs. The ratio normally suggested is 2 portions of carbon and 1 portion of green. Just spread it out. Pretty good. Now we add some garden soil. Just spread it around. Fresh grass clippings. And some food scraps. Rotten apple keeps the worm doctor away. There you go. Some rotten veggies of avocado. Eggshells are good. Just crush them. Give added calcium in your worm diet. Lettuce. Now we add some more carbon layer, dry leaves again, twigs. Twigs are good because it lets the layers stay aerated. Just spread it around. Alright, next on top we'll add some more soil. And most importantly, you need to add the worms. Do we have any? Yeah, I can see a few of them. See? Oh, there's plenty. Just add it on top. They will find their way down. Just sprinkle a little dried leaves on top for a bit of insulation. Lastly, you add some water to make it nice and moist. This will also compress the layer a bit. This blanket came with a warm farm, so you just cover that and put the lid on top. And that's it, you're done. I will show you the results in the coming few weeks.